Hello, my name is Sam Kennedy with Crestron. I'm coming to you from Zoomtopia 2023 and wanted to show you some of the new products. So what we're showing here is the Crestron Flex Pods. So the Flex Pods are a new solution that is a wireless audio solution. So we have our Crestron Flex Pod hub. This would connect to my Zoom room over USB. And then I have the Crestron Flex Pods. I can have up to 4 of these in a room that wirelessly connect back to the Crestron Flex Pod hub. And so this allows me to bring the audio wirelessly, and we leverage a technology called DECT, which allows me to go really great distances, allows me to work in very noisy wireless networks, and allows me to move these Flex Pods around on a meeting per meeting basis. Think of that conference room that is a U-shaped table for one meeting, the next meeting is a long boardroom style room. And so I'm able to just move these Flex Pods around on a meeting per meeting basis. So these are the Crestron Flex Pods. To learn more, please go to www.crestron.com.